Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make an easy orange cocktail. This simple guide will help you craft a refreshing drink with minimal effort. We'll start by gathering just a few key ingredients, ensuring they are fresh and ready. Then, we'll move on to the quick mixing steps, followed by proper chilling and serving. Get ready to impress your friends or simply treat yourself to a delightful beverage in just a few minutes. Now, let's get to the heart of our cocktail. First, you'll want to freshly squeeze about 4 ounces of juice from 2 medium oranges. This ensures the brightest, most vibrant flavor. Next, in a mixing glass, combine this fresh orange juice with 1 1/2 ounces of your favorite spirit, perhaps vodka or gin. Finally, add 1/2 ounce of a simple syrup or other liquid sweetener to balance the flavors perfectly. With our ingredients combined, it's time to chill and perfect our drink. Fill a cocktail shaker about 2/3 full with ice, then pour in your mixed orange cocktail. Secure the lid tightly and shake vigorously for about 15 to 20 seconds. You'll know it's ready when the shaker feels frosty to the touch. Finally, strain your perfectly chilled cocktail into a fresh, ice-filled glass. To complete your masterpiece, add a beautiful garnish. A fresh orange slice, a delicate orange twist, or even a vibrant cocktail cherry can elevate the presentation. Remember, this recipe is a fantastic starting point. Feel free to adjust the sweetness or the spirit strength to perfectly match your taste. This easy method yields one delicious, refreshing orange cocktail, perfect for any occasion. Cheers to your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.